Is this an everywhere place, or is it like only certain areas?
These are everywhere.
Oh yeah.
A medium Oreo.
Thank you very much. Oh, I'm scared to do it. Alright. Show me having my first bite. Oh, this is it's full of chunks too. Yeah, it's legit. That's good.
Eh?
No, that's not like really crappy like crumbs of an Oreo. It's actually like proper broken up chunks of a biscuit.
Cookie.
Biscuit.
Cookie.
Yeah. I'd give that a solid like 11 out of 12 monkeys. It's nice. Dairy Queen Blizzard.
Take us.
Food, glorious food.